The punch tool is one of several new tools you can use in the Silhouette Cameo 4. With the punch tool, your Cameo 4 can create weeding points for your vinyl and heat transfer projects. We'll set up a vinyl project so you can see how it works. You'll have the best results with Silhouette Studio version 4.3.353 or later. I've got these butterflies that I want to cut out of vinyl and then weed away the excess. I'll be cutting vinyl straight from a 12-inch roll, so in the page setup panel, I've set my machine to Cameo, my cutting mat to none, and my media size to 12 inches wide. Let's go to the Send tab to set up the punch tool. We'll cut the vinyl with the auto blade in the left side of the tool holder, or tool 1, and we'll use the punch tool in the right side of the tool holder, or tool 2. The punch tool only works in carriage 2. Click the drop-down arrows to view settings for both carriage 1 and 2. We want the material for both tools to be vinyl glossy. This punch tool process works for any type of vinyl or heat transfer. The Cameo 4 has automatic tool detection, so we need to place the auto blade in carriage 1 and the punch tool in carriage 2. Place the punch tool so the flat edge is in back, the rounded edge is in front, and hold it in place while sliding in the Lock tab to make sure it's secure. Once your Cameo 4 has detected the punch tool, select the design if necessary, and the software will change the preview. The preview now shows how it will cut the design with the blade and create weeding points with the punch tool. These little bullseye marks represent punch marks. The design you want to keep should be designated as cut with tool 1. Adjust your settings based on test cuts. The punch tool itself needs no physical adjustment. Once your vinyl is loaded, you can send the cut job. The blade will cut your main design, then the punch tool will place weeding marks throughout the design. If you want the main design to be weeded away to create a stencil or mask, simply draw a rectangle around the design and the software now places punch dots on the design to leave the stencil portion in place. These weed points created by the punch tool make it easy to tell which parts of your vinyl or heat transfer project can be weeded away, speeding up your process. The Silhouette Punch tool for Cameo 4 is available exclusively for the Silhouette Cameo 4.